Apple might be about to flip the script on iPhone design forever. A brand new leak is turning heads online. And if it's legit, the iPhone 17 Pro could be Apple's boldest redesign in years. This early hands-on image, shared by reliable leaker Majin Buu, shows a prototype that looks nothing like the iPhone 16 Pro. The triple lens camera setup is still here, but with a jaw-dropping twist. The usual square bump is gone. In its place, a stunning horizontal camera bar that stretches across the back, similar to the Pixel 9 Pro. It's sleek, futuristic, and totally unexpected from Apple. But that's not the only surprise. The rear of this iPhone 17 Pro blends metal and glass in a way we've never seen before. So seamless, it demands a case with a wide window just to show off the design. This prototype is even missing the Apple logo, sparking debate online about whether it's real. But it matches up perfectly with earlier leaks claiming the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a bold two-tone finish, soft curves, and a completely modern aesthetic. Another major clue? A redesigned MagSafe ring with a mysterious new outline. Is it just for looks or hiding something functional? No one knows yet. And that's where things get even more exciting. Because right next to this leak, we may have just seen the very first real-life peek at the rumored iPhone 17 Air, also called the iPhone 17 Slim. According to Majin Buu, this device looks impossibly thin and lightweight, with an elegant camera bump tucked into a raised corner of the glass back. It's minimalist, futuristic, and it could be Apple's sleekest iPhone yet. If true, it might replace the current iPhone 16 Plus, focusing on ultra portability without sacrificing style. As if that wasn't enough, even more leaked renders just surfaced online, revealing the full iPhone 17 lineup, including the standard iPhone 17, the mysterious 17 Air, the powerful 17 Pro, and the flagship 17 Pro Max or Ultra. These renders, shared by insider Sonny Dixon, showcase stunning black and white finishes across all models. The regular iPhone 17 sticks to a familiar vertical dual camera look, nothing too wild. But the Pro models? They're something else entirely. Gone is the boxy camera bump. In its place, a smooth, color-matched camera bar that screams next gen. It blends into the body flawlessly, showing off Apple's obsession with perfect design. And despite the new look, these models still keep the pro-level triple lens setup that power users love. But maybe the most buzzworthy model is still the iPhone 17 Air. This device isn't just thin, it's revolutionary. The rear camera module looks like an elongated pill, possibly with just one sensor, maximizing elegance and minimalism. It's a bold move that could change how people think about lightweight phones forever. And we haven't even gotten to the wildest part yet. 13 major features rumored to debut with the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Apple is reportedly switching from titanium to a sleek new aluminum frame, paired with a part glass, part metal back that feels like luxury in your hand. The camera bar is said to get even bigger, with rounded corners and the same triangular lens layout, but now in a layout that turns heads. A new sky blue color, inspired by the MacBook Air, could be Apple's standout shade this year. It's subtle, refined, and might replace one of the existing Pro colors. The display? Stronger than ever, thanks to a new anti-reflective coating that resists scratches. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also rumored to be slightly thicker, but only to fit a larger battery that lasts longer than ever before. Performance-wise, things are on another level. Apple's next-gen A19 Pro chip, built on 3nm technology, promises blazing speed, smarter AI, and better battery efficiency. Even the Wi-Fi chip might be brand new, developed in-house by Apple for the first time, to deliver faster, more stable connections. The front camera is expected to double to 24 megapixels, giving you way sharper selfies and video calls. And the telephoto lens could also jump to 48 megapixels, offering clearer zoom and pro-grade photography options. It doesn't stop there. Dual camera video recording might let you capture with both the front and rear cameras at the same time, ideal for creators, vloggers, and storytellers. And yes, 8K video recording may finally come to the iPhone thanks to the triple 48 megapixel sensor setup. With a rumored 12 gigabytes of RAM, these Pro models will be multitasking beasts, perfect for running Apple's new AI features and high-performance apps without breaking a sweat. Apple is also reportedly redesigning the internals for better cooling, possibly even adding a vapor chamber to keep performance high and heat low. With all these leaks, one thing is clear. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are shaping up to be game changers. A complete visual overhaul, massive performance leaps, better cameras, and bold new materials are just the beginning. And while Apple won't officially launch the iPhone 17 lineup until September, these early looks are already sending shockwaves through the tech world. If the leaks are true, the iPhone 17 era could mark a whole new chapter for Apple, and maybe even the smartphone industry as a whole. So buckle up. The countdown to Apple's most daring iPhone yet has already begun.